In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Google Flights. If you're planning a trip and want the interface to match the language you're most comfortable with, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to switch it. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in just a minute or two. First, open your web browser and go to Google Flights. You'll land on the main dashboard, which is the home page where you can search for destinations, dates, and see suggested trips. Make sure you're on that main screen before making any changes, because the setting we're about to use lives right there. Now look toward the very top left corner of the page. You'll see a small icon with three horizontal lines, often called the menu or the hamburger icon. Click that to open the side panel. This panel holds several options for controlling your Google Flights experience. Inside that side menu, find and click the option labeled Change Language. This is the setting that tells Google Flights which language to use for buttons, labels, and navigation throughout the page. A list of available languages will appear. Browse through the list and select your preferred language. Take a moment to choose the one that feels most natural for you, especially if you're planning to compare fares and schedules and want everything to be easy to read at a glance. After selecting your language, click OK to confirm. This tells Google Flights to apply your choice right away. You won't need to restart your browser or reload anything manually in most cases. You should see your new language appear immediately across the page. Menus, filters, and other interface text will switch over to the language you selected, making it easier to navigate, search, and compare flights without second-guessing what each option means. A few quick notes to keep you oriented. This language change affects the Google Flights interface itself, so buttons and labels will reflect your choice throughout your browsing session. If you ever want to switch back or try a different language, just repeat these same steps. Open the menu in the top left, choose Change Language, pick the one you want, and click OK. Also, depending on your region and device, the layout may look slightly different, but the menu and language option will still be in that top left menu. That's it, you've successfully changed the language on Google Flights, making trip planning clearer and more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother search experience in the language that works best for you.